they gave a good effort, and you have to give them credit. We came out here, everybody thought that the tie was finished, done and dusted, and we came out here and we played. Even Harborview scoring on us first because of a defensive error, we still didn't give up. At halftime we told them that we are still in the game, we just have to continue playing, and they really came up trumps in the second half and played well. We equalized on the aggregate, and then we wanted to carry the game into added time, but unfortunately we didn't concentrate on another corner kick and they scored, and unfortunately it wasn't to be today. But I have to give the team credit. They really fought hard today and show, of course, that they can compete with the best in the country.
Achilles heel this season has been good, and you guys got a lot of opportunities. Even in the last 15 minutes, a portion amount of opportunities are disappointed that it's been something that we want to do in the season, in a vital match, to turn back around and
yeah, definitely. We haven't been scoring the chances that we have been getting. The good thing that we are getting ourselves in goal scoring chances, but we have to put away the chances, and we have to start working and finding someone who can get the ball in the back of the net very regularly. Even the players that scored today, 2 of them haven't scored since the first round, so they came up trumps today. But we got a lot of opportunities in the first half to really take an Harborview out of the game. But that's how football is. It can be very cruel at times. I'm disappointed in the end result, but I must give the team credit for the way they played all season.
So would you say that you don't identify exactly where you need to fix going to next season?
Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Definitely, we have to find some proven goal scorers. We have a good set of talented youth. When you look at people like Kareem Bryan and Javon Smith, who came on and scored today, they played good game. These are youngsters that we are grooming with the experienced players, and I think they put in a good shift today. Mark Rodney had another good game again today, and we really asked the older players to try and guide them, and we hope to do better next year.
Yeah, coach, you talk about a lot of veteran guys that are stabilized. You think the team will be able to make that transition and see that competitiveness from next year?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, some of them might still be, or some of them won't. But the fact of the matter is that they are needed there to guide the youngsters. You can't just throw the youngsters out into the deep end of the pool. You have to give them guidance out there, and we saw the guidance that they provided today. And the youngsters really played well today and put in a good shift. They're going to learn on the job, and that's the only way they're going to learn. Give them opportunities to play.
Any signs and any strikers you're behind?
Always looking. I haven't identified any yet, but always looking. Definitely. When you look at it, we haven't been to the playoffs since 2017. This is the first time we have been to the playoffs in a long time, and I think we played well. We had a very good season. We had a very good defensive record. We were competitive in all the games that we played. We just need to do some tweaking so that we can become winners.